The forearm to straight arm plank, knee to elbow cross-body crunch is a core strengthening exercise that primarily works the rectus abdominis, obliques, and transverse abdominis. Here's how to do it correctly. Begin by getting into a forearm plank position with your forearms on the ground and elbows directly under your shoulders. Keep your body in a straight line from head to heels, engaging your core and glutes. Press up from your forearms to your hands, one hand at a time, until you are in a straight arm plank position. Your hands should be directly under your shoulders, maintaining a straight line from head to heels. From the straight arm plank position, bring your right knee towards your left elbow in a controlled motion. Engage your core to stabilize your body and maximize the crunch. Extend your right leg back to the straight arm plank position, then bring your left knee towards your right elbow in a controlled motion, then extend your left leg back to the straight arm plank position. Lower yourself back down to the forearm plank position, one arm at a time, maintaining control and stability. Exhale as you bring your knee towards your elbow and inhale as you return to the plank position. Avoid rushing through the movements. Focus on controlled transitions and crunches for maximum effectiveness. Continue alternating sides. Repeat for time or reps. Subscribe to get a new exercise video demo every day.